Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to week 10, Thanksgiving week. It's very exciting that we've gotten here. We are so close to the end of the quarter, folks. I know I keep saying that, but we are. So this week you are going to be working on your recommendation report, and you'll notice that the calendar shifted a little bit from when we looked at it in previous weeks because I wanted to give us a little bit more time off for Thanksgiving to enjoy the holiday with friends or family or however you like to do it. So we've shifted a couple things around. I just want to show us what the week's going to look like and then leave you to it to get things done and make things awesome before we turn in our recommendation report. So if we take a look at this week, you're going to be working on your recommendation report. Yay! I've got some readings in the Markle text that kind of help us as we think about choosing what kind of graphics we want to incorporate into this document. Remember that you need to have multiple images in the document and they need to be of varying kinds. So you can have a photograph, a pie chart, some statistical analysis chart, however you want to do it. We need to have a variety of images and all that's lined out for you in the prompt. But this reading in the Markle text is really helpful because it talks about how to choose these images with a lot of intentionality because the images are designed to support the text. They're not just in there for fun. Like we don't want to be picking stock images that don't add a lot of meaning to the assignment. We want to be picking something that really compels the reader to dig more into the text or helps support their understanding of the text. And so choosing the appropriate kind of graphic, this reading from Markle can be really helpful in helping us winnow through all the images available to see what's really going to serve an intentional specific purpose in our document. And then you're going to be working on the recommendation report for the rest of the week. Please at least take Thursday off or a couple days off to enjoy the holiday, enjoy time with people you love or food you love. But work on the recommendation report leading up to then. And then we are going to be peer reviewing that recommendation report on Monday because we are so close to being done. If we take a look at this calendar, we're going to be peer reviewing the recommendation report Monday. You're going to be working on revision. I would highly recommend scheduling an appointment with the CBC Online Writing Center because not only do you get feedback on your writing, which can make your writing better and help you earn a better grade, but you also get extra credit points if you send me the feedback that you got from the Writing Center. So it's a win-win. Yay! Then work on revising because if we take a look at the following week, it's finals week and you turn in the report on that Friday, December 5th. Like we're so close to being done, guys. It's insane. So, there is not really a final for this class. I know so many of you are so sad right now. You're like, darn it. I really wanted like a 10-page exam with a lot of essay questions. Why can't I have the things I want? And I'm sorry, guys, if that was the desire of your heart for this class. I'm really sorry that's not what we're going to be doing. The recommendation report is going to stand in place of your final because it is a cumulative reflection of what you've learned this quarter. It's a fairly lengthy document. It's asking you to demonstrate all of the key concepts that we've been building through the past 10 weeks. So I think it is a good picture of what you've learned in this class, and so a final exam isn't necessary. So you're going to be turning in that recommendation report on Friday, or that's a Sunday, the 5th of December, and then like your free birds. That's it. That's going to be it for this class. So we're very, very close to the end. Hang in there. I know it feels crazy with holidays coming up and everything coming to a head in all of your other classes. But hang in there knowing that at least this class is very close to being done. So work on your recommendation report. Think about what kind of graphics you want to incorporate into the text. Enjoy your Thanksgiving holiday and have that recommendation report ready to upload for peer review on Monday. And that's it. It's a pretty easy workload this week, hopefully, so that you can enjoy the holiday. And as always, we have all kinds of helpful things in our modules tab. So if you're working on the recommendation report and you're wondering exactly how that needs to look, check out the recommendation report folder. We've got a recorded lecture that's going to be helpful for you. Here's a recorded lecture where I break it down into each individual part of the report. Highly recommend watching that. I have some sample reports, a sample comparative report and a sample career feasibility report I think you'll find really useful. Some other things you might find useful are just like really practical. How do I make it look the way it's supposed to look? So here's how to cite an image in the report. Here's how to cite an image you found in Google. Here's how to cite a personal interview, which you're going to want to do because you interviewed a person for the specific purpose of using that information in this report. So you should use that. And then because this document is in multiple pieces, there's some kind of tricky page numbering that needs to happen. And so here's a tutorial on how to make the page numbers start where they're supposed to. And here's a tutorial on how to merge multiple documents in Word because this is a multi-part assignment. And so you may find that you write these in different documents and then need to merge them later. So lots of resources for you here. That's all I got for you guys. Have a great Thanksgiving. I hope you have an amazing holiday. Reach out with any questions because I'm here to help.